Good afternoon. This is our Daisy. She's 2 years old, human age. Pero 14 years old na siya. Sa dog age, 14 years old. By everyone here, it's 7 years sa mga doggies. That's what I got told, but I'm not so sure. Daisy is nag-hit siya, Napangita siya ni Soro. Uybon siya ni Soro. Bibi no, nag-hit ka na. You gonna bear this. Right? You're on hit. Wow, me. Love you, Daisy. Love, mama, Daisy. You're a good girl. Ay. Okay, that's it for now. She's sleepy. Are you sleepy, baby? Huh? Daisy?